Call the Midwife star Helen George has given a peek inside her traditional nursery after she announced birth of her second child. The BBC One actress, who welcomed her second child with her partner Jack Ashton, shared a look inside the traditional red nursery with her 194,000 Instagram followers. Helen, 37, who is best known for the role of Trixie Franklin in the BBC drama, appeared to have given birth in St Thomas Hospital in London and has wasted no time in settling her little one into the gorgeous nursery. The blonde beauty posed with her adorable 4-year-old daughter Rin as she gave her followers a look inside the space for her little one. Get exclusive celebrity stories and fabulous photo shoots straight to your inbox with OK's daily newsletter. You can sign up at the top of the page. We can see that Helen has opted for a vibrant red striped wallpaper while white shutters and woodwork give a traditional feel to the room. Meanwhile, the actress has added pops of color to the bedroom with artwork and family snaps on a shelf along with grey herringbone flooring for a modern twist. Elsewhere, Helen has opted for a pale grey cot with white bed linen and has added a floral blue nest pod for her little one to sleep in. Taking a closer look, we can see that the little one is wearing a white baby grow as Helen has captured the legs of the newborn in the snap. Meanwhile, Rin looked every inch the big sister as she proudly sat at the foot of the cot in a red gingham dress while a giraffe toy and bunny could also be seen in the crib. It comes as Helen has not revealed whether they have welcomed a son or daughter and are yet to announce the name of their bundle of joy. Helen and Jack were inundated with well wishes on their heartwarming news, including fellow Call the Midwife stars. Laura Main, who plays Sister Bernadette, penned, "So beautiful. And happy birthday, Jack." Another added, "Oh yay. Congratulations to you all. This is wonderful news. Welcome little 120. A third wrote, "Oh my gosh. Congratulations. Well done. Hope everything went as smooth as possible and you and the little one are doing good." Helen has played Trixie Franklin in the heartwarming BBC show since its first season in 2012. Jack also starred in the show as Reverend Tom Hereward. The pair began dating in 2016 after filming in South Africa for that year's Call the Midwife Christmas special. Rin was born shortly after in 2017.